Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
A VPN encrypts your traffic and hides it from networks and Wi-Fi hotspots. It creates a secure tunnel between your device and a remote server. A VPN does not remove an ISP data cap or monthly limit. Some people call this unlimited, but contractual limits still apply unless your plan is truly unlimited. Compression and protocol choice can change effective data usage by about 5% to 30%. Expect encryption overhead of around 5% to 15% in most cases. Always read your provider terms before assuming unlimited access. Use OpenVPN or WireGuard for a balance of speed and compatibility. Prefer WireGuard for lower CPU use and higher throughput on modern devices. Set MTU to 1,400 bytes to reduce fragmentation and improve stability on mobile networks. Route heavy apps through the VPN using split tunneling to save unnecessary data usage. Enable a kill switch and DNS leak protection to prevent accidental exposure when the VPN drops. Consider TCP port 443 when networks block Monitor real usage and track gigabytes per month with the VPN or device counters. Use a reputable provider with a clear no-logs policy and strong encryption standards. Pay with anonymous methods only if your jurisdiction and provider allow it legally. Remember, a VPN may avoid ISP throttling in some cases, but cannot legally bypass contractual data caps. If you need unlimited legitimate data, consider changing plans or providers and confirm terms in writing. Keep firmware and apps updated to maintain security and performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.